What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. If you didn't remember or you forgot, tomorrow is August 11th, which is the unveiling of Samsung Galaxy Unpacked, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, Galaxy Buds 2, and also their Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic. Link for that is down below. Also, there's a link down below that allow you to reserve their flip and folding phones. And if you watch this, tomorrow or another day, the link will also be down there, so you can just end up pre-ordering the phone as well. So all of that stuff will be down below. With that said, let's jump into today's news, because OnePlus is trying to one-up Samsung tomorrow because they just put out this tweet and they're showing off a dual screen phone akin to a Galaxy Z Fold 3, even though the Z Fold 3 you could say is just one display. This OnePlus dual screened hinged phone, again, they're trying to take some of the luster away from tomorrow. Check this tweet out. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a dual hinged double screen OnePlus phone. And I'm not against this. If this comes out really cool and it works and it is real, I'm all for it. And you can, watch the little video if you want, but ultimately it looks like a dual screen OnePlus phone. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this is gonna come out? I think it's a joke. Let me know in the comments down below. Next up is a leaked hands-on video of the new Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3, but I'm a little bit more interested in the Fold 3, I'll be honest with you. The Flip 3, there's some things that are changed about it, but I think the Flip 3 has some interesting things, especially that under display camera. I'm going to show some screenshots from the video, and I do advise you to watch the video in full. It's linked in the description. With that said, let's check out some of the screenshots from the video. So this first one is with the screen turned off, and if you look in the very top right, in the middle of that, you can see what it looks like to me. You can see the camera cut out. So again, this is an under-display camera, but you can definitely, without a doubt, see it. The next one is a white screen, and from this distance, we cannot see the camera at all. It's completely hidden. And when we check the next one out, this one shows off the screen on, but again, you can still see that camera in the top right. And then the next one, this is what it looks like when you got really close to the phone. You can see that little digitization of the camera cutout. When it was further back from the camera, you couldn't, but when you got closer to it, you definitely could. So kind of interesting of how they're going to be showing off the camera and hiding it and not, but it kind of gives an idea of what it's going to look like. Is it going to be distracting? Probably not. You'll get used to it, just like you have with the notch on the iPhone, with the on-screen cameras on the Galaxy phones and all the other phones that have it as well. So not a big deal, but it's just really interesting to see. Video is linked down below. And our last story of the day, the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. What can you expect to pay here in the USA? And they also have the France prices as well. So let's talk about these prices and we'll see if we end up happy with this. So first of all, France. This is being leaked out by Max Weinbach. He's saying in France, the Z Flip 3 will be for the 128, you get it for $10.59 or $11.09 for the 256. For the Z Fold 3, you can get the 256 for $17.99 or $18.99 for the 512. Let's jump over to the great old country of the United States of America. US pricing, Z Flip 3 is gonna come in under $1,000 for that 128 gigabyte. It's gonna be $999. 256, this is TBD, which means to be determined, but if you had to guess, it's probably gonna be, if you had to guess, $50 to $100 more than that $999 price. So you're looking at either $1049 or $1099. Z Fold 3, you want the 256 gig version, it's gonna be $1799. So if you compare this to the past couple of years' prices, it's about $200 cheaper than the past. 512 gigabytes, TBD. Again, if you think about the pricing for this, it's probably gonna be $100 more, I would guess. So you're probably looking at $1899 for that Z Fold 3. Now, with all of that said, how does that make us feel? It's a little bit more than we heard. At one point it might be $1,699, but it's not. Is $17.99 better than $19.99? Oh, hell yeah, it is. So saving $200, really, really nice. And then you factor in that you can trade in not one, but you can also trade in two phones at once if you have them to pay off or really cut into the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And then beyond that, I don't know. I'm excited for it. I still You know, when I watched the video, the guy just kind of jumping through it, it looked smoother, especially on that front display. So there's a lot to look forward to. There's some things, you know, you might not look forward to, but ultimately, you know, it's a new device. A lot of you guys are jumping from a non-folding phone to the folding phone. So I think you're going to be even more excited than, you know, a person that already has the folding phone, but still, it's very interesting. Tomorrow's the day. Link down below if you want to pre-order / reserve. That is linked down below as well. Thanks for watching. Did I give you guys a question of the day? I didn't, so I'll give you one now. Question of the day is, what do you think about the pricing? Is it fair? Is it bad? Let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day. Peace.